Hi, and welcome to Data AgeUcation. I'm Jessica Novell, the Sales Operations Manager, and this is Richard Lutz, our corporate trainer. Richard, stay still. You have a bug on you.
Where? What?
Okay, it's okay. Now, today we're going to be talking to you about bulk items versus new items. Richard, can you tell me what is a bulk item or bulk bin?
Sure. Bulk items, bulk bins, are things that we sell that we really don't care about who made it, where it came from. It's just, an example would be a DVD, for instance.
Okay.
What studio made the DVD? What's the name of the movie? We don't care. We just sell it for $1, and that is an item that we have bulk of. We may have several hundred or even thousands of DVDs.
Sure, and how do we use the bulk feature in PawnMaster?
Sure thing. It's under inventory. And the first thing you might want to do when you click, first you may want to click maintain.
Okay.
And find out if you already have a bulk bin set up.
Okay.
So choose your category.
Sure.
And then choose the bulk items radio button.
Okay.
Once you've selected that, click search. If you have any bulk bins, they're going to be displayed. And if you don't, this is your opportunity to make one.
Perfect.
So you're going to choose again, add the category that it's going to be under, such as perhaps, again, movies and music. Choose your subcategory, such as DVD.
Okay.
And then check the checkbox for bulk item.
Perfect.
You're going to notice that some fields have turned blue at this point.
Sure.
The description field is now going to be the label for this location.
Okay.
What I mean by label is when you're going to pull your items and you have the option to combine to a bulk location, this is what you're going to see on the screen.
Sounds great.
So I would type in here, $ DVDs. The next thing we have to decide, is this item going to be tax exempt or not?
Okay.
DVDs, no, they're not tax exempt. How much we're going to sell them for. And then finally, to make sales super easy, don't forget to use the UPC code. Type DVD there. That way your employee, when they're selling a DVD, doesn't have to remember some random number.
Okay.
They just type in DVD to sell the DVD.
Perfect.
That's it. We click save. We now have a bulk location for DVDs.
Sounds easy enough.
It is.
So now, how about you tell us the difference between new item and a bulk item?
Well, a new item is something that has a quantity, but it's a specific item.
Sure.
So examples would be maybe you order earrings brand new from a vendor. That's something that you have a quantity of, and you're going to want to add more when you run out. Okay. Or if you sell firearms in your shop, ammunition is a perfect example.
Okay. I see you have some ammunition here too to show
I
us.
do. Let's go ahead and work with that. We're going to add some ammunition. And when we do that, we're going to enter in the category. It might be defense accessories. It might be its own category.
Okay.
Choose new item. That's going to open up two new fields. It's going to open up maximum quantity and a reorder level.
Okay.
So you're going to enter in the quantity of ammunition that you have currently.
Sure.
You're going to put in the reorder level that you want to reach when it's time to order more. You're going to enter the quantity that you are going to be ordering, so that's the max quantity.
Okay.
You may want to select a vendor so you know where you get it the cheapest.
Sure.
And with ammunition, it definitely has a UPC barcode.
Okay, great.
So move your cursor into the UPC field, scan that barcode, and now you'll be able to sell your ammunition using that UPC code.
Great.
So now, you've ordered more ammunition.
Yay. Easy?
Yep. We have to receive that ammunition.
Okay.
We're not going to add it brand new all over again and create a whole new inventory number.
Sure.
At this point, PawnMaster is like any normal POS system used in any retail store anywhere.
Great.
You're going to go to Inventory, Receive Inventory, click Find, put the cursor in the UPC field, scan that barcode, and as you can see, you will enter the quantity of inventory that just arrived.
Okay.
If needed, you can change your cost, and it's going to cost average your existing inventory with the new inventory, and it's first in, first out.
Okay.
So when you sell out of all the old ammunition or inventory, the new cost is going to be displayed. The next thing is you may want to click Find, or Add, and add the next item that came in.
Okay.
And you continue doing that until all of your ammunition, or whatever it is you ordered, arrived. Click Save. And at this point, it's going to ask you if you want to print labels out.
Sure.
So you can print out a quantity of labels by hitting the max quantity. It's going to be one label for every item you received.
Perfect.
Or if you're using UPC codes again, no need to print labels at all. Just simply click Done.
That's a great tip.
we're done.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Richard. We learned so much from you always. So for a quick recap, today we talked about bulk items and bins and the difference between new and bulk items. A bulk item is a location where we sell like items without regard for brand or model. A new item is a specific item that has a quantity, and receiving inventory is adding quantities to that item. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Data AgeUcation. Hope you have a spooky Halloween, and we'll see you next time.